Locust Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. Today we're going to do a napkin covered book page pockets. But first, a shout out to Markets of Sunshine, Creative Crafticality, Vicki, Christine, and Mackenzie. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, it's been a little while since I've done any napkins. So I have a book page here. And I have my matte gel right here, and I'm just going to put some matte gel down here on the book page just like this and get it covered up, and then I'm going to put down that napkin, which I've already separated. So napkins usually come with 1 or 2 layers of napkin, and you just need to separate it. And once you do that, then it's much easier to work with and then you can also see through it. As you can see right here, as we place this directly onto our book page and just, whoopsie, smoosh it out there. And you can start seeing the book page right through it. I'm going to apply some more of this matte gel directly on top. I find a lot of my napkins at Tuesday Morning. That's where I've gotten 90% of these. They usually have very pretty ones, and they usually refresh their stash quite often. All right, I've got that all done. Now you have to let this dry, and so I'm going to set that over to the side, and I'm going to clean up. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, once I get going on the napkin covering book page, I usually do quite a few of them, just so that I have them when I need them. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take one of those napkin covered pages, and I am going to cut it in half so that we end up with strips. And then I sewed one side of the strip like that. And what I'd like to do next is I would like to get my thumb notch and just, well, first I think we better connect them. I'm going to glue them together so that there will be no seam on the sides or the front. It's going to be in the back. So I'm going to get my glue, which is right here, and I'm going to apply my glue. I've got all kinds of stuff on my glue. There we go. I'm going to apply my glue right to my edge. And fold this over like this. I'm just going to hold it for a second while it dries. Now, I'm going to decide where my middle is, and I'm going to do a little bit of a thumb notch right in the middle. It's hung up on my sewing. There we are. Just going to trim that just like this. There. So now we have a thumb notch. I'm going to go ahead and crease it. I'm going to do a little bit of inking. Now this is the pink. I probably should have chosen a different color, but it still looks nice. Open it up, and I am going to ink. I should have inked this before I glued it together. Well, that's something we need to know. Like that. Let's do our other one, and we're going to ink it with the gathered twigs. All right, let's ink it first, because that's what we just learned. So we're going to ink it first. just like that. Then we're going to glue this together. Let my glue fall down here. There we are. Put these together just like that. Hold it for just a second while it adheres. Now find my center. Oh, sorry, you can't even see. And fold it. Then I'm going to notch the top. Well, we got some stuff in here. Let's get that out first. There we go. There we are. Just like that. Now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew the bottom. And there we go. That's extremely quick and easy. It's just waiting for your napkin to dry on your book page, and they make adorable little pockets. I am so happy you joined me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye now.